My most recent project is concerned with sound effect synthesis. The designer typically starts with large sample libraries trying to find the sounds that best fit the scene. But that's not fit for purpose, so we intend to change all of that by providing a disruptive innovation whereby sound designers can create from the ground up any sound that they need and shape it to their purposes. Currently, the technology is robust, tested, and evaluated with professional sound designers. I have high hopes for the technology and expect by this time next year we will have a viable and sustainable commercial service that allows anyone to deliver professional sound design and create sounds that no one has ever heard.
I'm Andy Bushby from the School of Engineering and Materials Science, and my project is about weight-saving metal components. We found a way of making metal components much stronger for less metal. We can make a lightweight tube like this that weighs only 12 grams. That's ridiculously strong. Weight saving is very important in high-tech industries like satellites, where every kilogram of weight that's saved is worth £30,000. If we just take the cracker here, we all know what's going to happen. They're very delicate and they break very easily. If we just apply a very thin coating of our high-strength metal to a biscuit, the same one, like this, it becomes impossible to bend it. Using this technology, we're able to make components that we couldn't dream of making before.
My name is Tatjana Crnogorac-Jučević. I work on early detection of pancreatic cancer in urine. Pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma is one of the deadliest cancers, largely due to its late detection. We have discovered 3 urinary biomarkers for early detection of this cancer and recently developed biomarker panel Reiss score, which enables us to triage patients into high and low risk of developing this malignancy. The biomarkers have been licensed to Third Street Diagnostics in Los Angeles, and the standardized assays are being developed for commercial use at the moment. Our next step is to evaluate the accuracy of this Reiss score in large prospective clinical study.